Welcome to the implementation, setup, and training for ATS Posting a Job. Please log into your site and follow along with the training today. Pause the video as needed to take the time to start setting up your system. Once you have completed video training sessions, you will meet with your implementation manager and review the configurations you have set up, as well as answer any questions you may have. If you are no longer in implementation, please direct your questions to your account manager or the customer care team. At this point, your application templates, or your custom applications, and job templates should be set up in the ATS. At that point, we are ready to post a job. As a note, if you are using the requisition or job posting approval process, please reference the job rec video training or work with your implementation or account manager. To post a job, once logged in, click the Post a Job button in the upper right corner. We recommend posting a job from a template or from an existing job. This way, the settings are mostly already done. This will lessen the chances for error and will also allow your posting a job process to go from an hour plus to 1 to 2 minutes. Most of the settings that will be covered today while we discuss posting a job are able to be set first within the template. While we go through a general overview of this today, we recommend that for more details on all fields used to post a job, you review the ATS Job Templates training video. From the main landing page of the ATS, let's click the Post a Job button in the upper right corner of the screen. You will then have options to post from scratch, from a draft if you have previously saved a draft, from a template, or from an existing job. We today are going to select from a template and then select the template you would like to post from. This will now take us into our 4-step process of posting a job. Step 1, Job Details. Supported languages. If you need to add Spanish, you can also do so through your template. We do support the ability to add in the Spanish version of your job ad. However, you are responsible for translating your job ad and your screening questions. Confidential posting. We do not recommend this unless it's necessary. Several job boards don't support it, and individuals typically won't apply to a job if they do not know the company. Your job title. This is the title or your recruiting title that will display on the job boards. Job description. This will be your full job ad. Please review to make sure everything in that job ad is correct. Also note, even though this was pulled from the template, you may make changes to this before posting the job. Changes made here will not carry over to the template. If changes should be made on the template, you will need to go into Administration, Job Templates to make the change there. We have this flexibility so that if this job you are posting is an exception to the normal general posting for this position, you may make those changes without altering the template. Additional job information. This does not appear on the job ad. It is just for you as admins to keep track of internal information about this posting. Posting location information. A postal code is required. Enter the zip code you would like to post your job to and select or click the Tab key. The city and state will then be pre-populated for you. The primary checkbox. This is required. This is especially important if there is more than one location added for the job to be posted to. Note how you can click the Add New Location button to add additional locations for this job to be posted to. The primary location, however, will be the only location that pushes to Indeed. They do not allow multiple zip codes to be posted to for the same job position. They call this location spamming. If this job has an opening in different locations, for example, we need a foreman in Dallas and we also need a foreman in Oklahoma City, then it is best practice to post those jobs separately. This way, you will keep your applicant pools separate in the ATS within each job, and each location will have its own posting on Indeed. Also, if you choose multiple locations, you may select using this drop-down whether that location should show on your career page or be hidden. Close date. Do note this is optional. Typically, this is not populated because you will manually close the job once the position has been filled. Job posting fields. If you have created custom job posting fields, those will be displayed and you will need to select and choose or fill in those fields. If you need to add additional fields to the job posting process for internal tracking purposes, please reference the ATS Job Templates training. Towards the end, it talks about adding in those custom job posting fields. Autoresponder. Select the Thank you for applying so candidates will receive an email when they have completed their application. EEO job category. Assigning this to a job posting will help categorize your employees for EEO reporting. EEO job group. These are subcategories to the EEO job categories. These can be configured in the account admin area. Labels. The label assigned to the job will be the label assigned to all applicants who apply to the job. This can then be used when searching in the candidate pool. Assigned to. Select who should be assigned to this job. More than one individual can be assigned. Depending on their role, it may number 1, trigger emails to them about applicants who have applied, and the email frequency is based on their user profile settings. Number 2, if you have a role set up where an individual only sees the applicants to jobs they're assigned to, this will assign them to that job and they will be able to see the applicants on this job. Number of openings. This is simply a counter for you as an admin. This is not on the job ad. This will allow you to track how many hires you have left for those postings that require multiple hires. If I have this set to 3, once I have marked an individual as hired, it will move down to 2. Click the Next button. Step 2 are the application details. The application. Use this to select the application to be used for this job. This is where you would select a custom application if you have created one. This can be set at the template level to reduce the risk of setting this if it is a custom application. Screening questions. This section will list all screening questions that were set up in the template if you are posting from a template. If needed, add additional screening questions here. For more information and details about setting up screening questions, please reference the training video on job templates. Click the Next button. Step 3. Job distribution. National job posting. If toggled to yes, it requires the job seeker to type national into the location search to find this job. A limited number of job boards support this type of posting. Telecommuting. This is a label or flag that can help with reporting for jobs. Your career page. This will be a toggle to turn on or off the job posting on your career page. This is defaulted to yes. Therefore, jobs you post will automatically show on your web page when a job is posted and will be removed when the job is closed. If this has not been set up for you on your career page, please work with your implementation manager or account manager. Next are the job boards. The top section are all free boards. These have all been toggled to yes by default since there is no cost. If you prefer, you may toggle to turn any of them off individually. The bottom section are the paid boards. Use the toggle to turn on any job boards listed. If any of these are turned on, the next page will require you to enter credit card information for payment of this 30-day posting. The prices for each job board are listed right below the job board name. Social media. Set the toggle to yes to post to a social media site. Once the job is posted, you will be taken to the social media site where you will be required to enter the admin credentials to post to your company's site. Referral networks. These are set up in the admin area. Toggle on those referral networks you would like to receive an email about this upcoming job posting. Click the Next button. Step 4. Confirm and posting. This step allows you to review all parts of your job posting before posting. Here is the job ad, additional details, application details, and job distribution. A few items to note. At any time, you can click Save Draft to finish this posting later. It will be found only in your drafts to later finish and post. After posting a job, it will take 24 to 48 hours to post the job to all of our job boards. The first posting may even take a little longer because the boards are verifying that this is a legitimate job posting. If you have any jobs posted to those sites, Indeed, Glassdoor, etc., through other ATSs or you have posted there directly, Please make sure to take those down before posting a job through this ATS. Click Post this job. Once the job has been posted, if edits or changes need to be made, or you would like to view the applicants, you can do so by navigating to Jobs and clicking on the job title. Please view the Managing Posted Jobs and Managing Candidates video for a detailed training. This concludes the training on ATS Posting a Job. If you are in implementation, your implementation manager will review this with you and cover your questions. If you are not in implementation, please direct your questions to your account manager or the customer care team.